What's up mga ka-eninyero? On this video ay i-design natin yung stirrups or web reinforcement ng isang beam. Our problem is a simply supported beam having span of 6 meters and dimension of base B is equal to 375 millimeters and effective depth D of 570 millimeters. I-denote natin na WD, yung dead weight, which is equal to 45 kilonewton per meter, and WL, yung live weight, which is 64 kilonewton per meter. Use F'C is equal to 27.60 megapascal. F'C is the concrete compressive strength of the beam. And Fyt is equal to 275 megapascal. Fyt is the yield strength of the stirrups or web reinforcement. I-convert natin muna yung given loads into its equivalent factored load. Since dead load at live load lang yung given na load, ang available load combination na gagamitin natin is 1.2 dead load plus 1.6 live load. The factored load WU is equal to 1.2 W dead plus 1.6 W live. Ang given na dead weight is equal to 45 kilonewton per meter. At ang given na live weight is equal to 64 kilonewton per meter. At ang value ng factored uniformly distributed load is equal to 156.40 kilonewton per meter. Yung equivalent factored load ng given load na ngayon yung gagamitin natin, which is yung WU, 156.40 kilonewton per meter. I-denote natin yung end ng beam na to as point A at ito naman ay point B. And RA is the reaction at point A and RB is the reaction at point B. Due to the symmetry and loading of the beam, therefore, RA is equal to RB. Kaya naman, paghatian nila yung total downward force na nasa beam. At ang value nito ay equal sa WU multiplied by length of the beam over 2. I-replace na lang natin yung RA at RB ng RU. WU is equal to 156.40 kilonewton per meter multiplied by the length of the beam, 6 meters, over 2. At ang value ng RU ay equal sa 469.20 kilonewton. Kunin natin muna yung value ng shear strength ng concrete. Ang formula ng BC ay equal sa 0.17 lambda square root of F'C BWD. Yung mga formula na gagamitin natin sa video na to ay na-discuss na po natin sa mga naunang video. Doon natin i-detail na kinuha kung saan part ng NSCP 2015 siya nanggaling. I recommend na balikan nyo na lang pong panoorin yung video na yon. Solving for the value of BC, 0.17. Lambda is equal to 1.0. Dahil hindi given, i-assume natin na normal weight concrete yung given sa problem. F'C is equal to 27.60 megapascal. BW 375 mm. And effective depth D 570 mm. Ang unit ng value na makukuha natin dito is naka-Newton. I-divide na lang natin ng 1,000 para ma-convert siya into kilonewton. The value of BC is equal to 190.902 kilonewton. Computin na din natin yung ibang value na kakailanganin natin mamaya tulad ng reduction factor BC. Reduction factor per shear is 0.75 at yung BC is yung na-compute natin, 190.902 kilonewton. The value of reduction factor BC is equal to 143.176 kilonewton. Another value na kakailanganin natin mamaya is yung value ng 0.50 reduction factor BC. I-divide nyo lang sa 2 yung value ng reduction factor BC, which is equal to 71.588 kilonewton. Ipakita natin yung sectional view ng beam. Yung color blue, ito yung main bars. Ito naman yung stirrups. Ito naman yung face ng column or face ng support. Based from NSCP 2015, Section 409.4.3.2, sections between the face of the support and a critical section located at D from the face of the support. Yung critical section daw ng beam based on shearing is located at distance D from the face of the support. Itong section daw na to, yung critical section ng beam. Nalimutan natin isama kanina yung for non-pre-stressed beams. Kasi iba yung location ng critical section for pre-stressed beams, which is located at distance of h/2 from the face of the support. And it shall be permitted to be designed for BU at the critical section. Ang ibig sabihin nun, mula daw sa face ng support hanggang sa distance ng critical section or at distance D, ay pwede natin siyang i-design sa value ng BU ng critical section. So, yung zone na to, pwede natin siyang i-design based sa value ng BU at critical section. I-cut natin yung beam at distance D from the support. And then, i-take natin yung left cut segment ng beam. Siyempre, pag kinat natin yung beam, lilitaw ngayon yung kanyang internal shear. Denote natin to as BU. Para makuha yung value ng BU, gagamitin lang natin yung equation of static equilibrium. Summation forces vertical is equal to 0. I-assume na lang natin lahat ng upward force ay positive. RU minus BU minus the equivalent concentrated force nitong uniformly distributed load, which is equal to WU multiplied by its length, which is equal to D, or yung effective depth ng beam. Equal to 0. Arranging our equation, BU now is equal to RU minus WUD. Nakuha na natin yung value ng RU kanina, 469.20 kilonewton minus WU, 156.40 kilonewton per meter. Yung length nitong uniformly distributed load sa ating figure is equal to D. At ang value ng D ay 570 mm. Kailangan natin itong i-convert into meter para maging uniform yung ating unit, which is equal to 0.57 meters. At ang value na ngayon ng BU ay equal sa 380.052 kilonewton. Etong value ng BU na nakuha natin is the factored shear at the critical section or at distance D from the face of the support. Kunin naman natin ngayon yung value ng nominal shear strength ng beam. Bn is equal to Bu over reduction factor. Bu is equal to 380.052 kilonewton over reduction factor. The value of that for shear is equal to 0.75. And the value of the nominal shear strength ng beam or Bn is equal to 506.736 kilonewton. After nyan, kunin naman natin yung shear strength ng stirrup. To solve for the value of Bs or the shear strength of stirrups, equal lang siya sa Bn minus Bc. Bn is the nominal shear strength of the beam, 506.736 kilonewton, minus Bc. Yung Bc is the shear strength of the concrete. Nakuha na natin siya kanina. Ito yon, 190.902 kilonewton. And the value of Bs is equal to 315.834 kilonewton. After this, we need to verify if the section is adequate to carry the required shear. Using the formula of Bs max, equal siya sa 0.67 square root of F prime C B sub WD. 0.67 square root of F prime C, 27.60. BW is 375 millimeters and effective depth D is 570 millimeters. At ang value ng Bs max ay equal sa 752.377 kilonewton. Since the required value of Bs na 315.834 kilonewton is less than the value of Bs max na 752.377 kilonewton. Therefore, we can state that the section is adequate to carry the required shear.